Great start in this heat race. It looks like they're figuring that out. This is the main event. You got Anderson to his left. The revs up. The gate is down. Good launch by the 94. But it's the 12 of Shane McElrath. He goes a little bit too wide.
Chase Sexton, guys. This is Kenny doesn't get away, which is totally so close.
And Tomac's spot might be quick. There it is. No, Robson's down. And now Tomac is on the rear tire of Jason Anderson.
In that collision, that was a pretty tough. It looked as
trying to take advantage and strike now.
Well, yeah, I mean, obviously if you could strike now, for sure that main event, I believe, for the win, a lot like what we saw in that 250 race, Dan. I think we're starting to see something here, Daniel. And I think these races
regionally, they race nationally, and now Tomac is by.
Maybe come up just a little bit short. The only risk of jumping up there is it's hard to just